चल पीछे से एंट्री होगी शायद. पूछ ले फिर भी लोग.
Old number है 802.
Doesn't matter. It'll be in the DVD in the censored
The
cuts.
deleted scenes, yes, exactly.
I'll have to open it. And it was chaos, and I had to bring all the girls back and say nobody's going there.
Yeah. Okay, what final words to your fans, for those who haven't yet managed to catch
Sonam and me. And hopefully the audience will see the film and they'll appreciate what we've done.
Absolutely. Well, thank you both so much for talking to us. Congratulations and all the best for tonight.
Thank you.
Sanjay ji, just one.
Please, just run it back.
Hi, how was it working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, your first time out?
Well, that's the reason I went in the system with that. And he noticed me then and he casted me and it's really funny.
Sonam is a local friend of yours. How was it like? What was it like?
Well, we're dear friends and I think she's been a great support. She's been a great help. We've been constantly there.
Yeah, one more.
Now giving a picture to Pradeep.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's senior copy. Unfortunately, we've seen her there. Short with her here. गाना है तो उसके बाद
Hi, Chef.
Sonam ji, look here, look here, look here. Sonam, look here.
She's coming.
Sonam.
Sonam ji. थोड़ा पीछे, थोड़ा पीछे.
So it was basically just going to university and having a great time.
Maybe next.
Maybe after मैं Indian लड़की हूँ, I'm very comfortable in Indian clothes. So like I don't like wearing Western outfits.
So much gone.
No, that's not fair. Yeah.
And just give them a... Just turn one.
Sonam ji, Sonam ji.
I have to say, you're looking wonderfully cool and collected for tonight. What's sort of running through your mind right now?
Very excited. And I always feel that I should live in the moment. Once you start thinking about the future, you get nervous. A minute of this and like talk to everybody and tell everybody go watch Saawariya and just have a great Diwali.
For so many years, your whole family doing so much of this. So what does it just feel like?
Sona bachcha.
Minute of you at
Okay, Sonam Kapoor, you're right. Yeah, you must have attended many film festivals. Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.